all the learners and the guardians who are watching this video and from the different part of Bangladesh, and not only for Bangladesh but also from the different part of the globe. Welcome you all to these sessions. Today we are going to discuss regarding the previous year solve from the chemistry paper regarding O level for the class of O level chemistry. So we are going to start our O-level chemistry class today right now. As we have received so many questions from the different parts of the globe, and students and the learners of different curriculum, both for Cambridge and Edexcel. So in the meantime, during our class session, we also provide you the different answers of the questions from the collected questions. I will try to answer the few of the questions. So I hope the learners who have already submitted their questions and askings will get the clear conception and the clear idea regarding the usage of the website, and also for the joining process and details regarding the academic support. As you know, we are providing the details academic support from our website www.massbd.org. If you go to the Google and just type www.massbd.org, and you will have our website. After coming to the website, you will get the details instructions here, and you can you can really find out what you need, because all the content matters and the subjects and the papers are so well designed that it will help you to get the clear conception regarding the questions papers and the academic sectors and the academics video and the learning materials. All are there, and the full support online and offline are now running from the website, and the offline class would be available at the Mirpur 10. So the learners from the different parts of the country and also from the outside can easily join from the any part of the globe. So for solving your academic problems regarding chemistry, physics, math, biology, ICT, all papers are available here. Now today our discussion regarding the O-level chemistry. So we will solve the previous year questions gradually, and you will have the two types of solution here. All the previous questions of chemistry you will have the live class, and you can also purchase, or you can also register for the offline class, and that is a video book. You can purchase a video book, and or live class and video book, there is no difference actually. In case of video book, you have to take appointment regarding for solving or for talking or for discussing to the teachers, and for live class there is no appointment, as per it will be conducted as per schedule. So so students from the different parts of the globes can assign, can select teachers for their kids to solve their academic problems, and also can join our group class. So in case of solving the academic problems for all the subjects regarding the O and A level, anyone can join with us. Now today we are going to discuss straightly our O level question paper. So we will go for this one. I hope you can see okay. Just wait for a minute. Just let me open the file here. Now it can be enlarged. Okay, I hope you can now see. You can now see the website. This is the our video book look like, and e-note look like, and you will get the link of video lectures here after purchasing the video book here. So all the contents will be arranged in so a good manner that it will not take times to find out the solution. And there is absolutely a index where you can get the link. After clicking the index link, you will go to the specific page that you are looking for. So there is no problem at all to solve your academic problem and to find out the solutions of your question papers or the questions. So first question we are going to hear. Here is the extracted and written the text from the image along with the correct answer. You can see here a list of gas is given, and the ammonia, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, chlorine, ethane, hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur dioxide, argon. Now the question is that each gas may used once, more than once, or not at all. Question is telling you that we can use you can use only one time this gas, or you can use multiple times, or you may not use any one of the gas. So but you have to answer the following questions. These are the question patterns of Cambridge curriculum O level chemistry. So you are getting the screen, you are watching the screen, and you can see the question, what types of question may be solved at the during the question during the examination hour. So for solving these types of question, you can see here the first question. The first, give me the name of the gas. uh, you have been asked for, give me the name of the gas that number one cause acid rain. Now we have to learn, we have to memorize what is the name of the gas which is responsible for acid rain. Now we know the rain, the properties of rain, how the rain are conducted from the sky to the land. And now the question is the acid rain. What is acid rain? When the nature or the pH of the rain becomes acidic, becomes we know the pH of the water is neutral, right? pH of the water is neutral. So we can write here pH equal to water equal to, we can say, equal to neutral, right? But when the nature of the water becomes acidic, the pH of the water is shifted to the acidic direction. Which is the acidic direction? You can see this is the number dot line, and this is the 0, right? This is -1, this is -2, this is -3. So these are the acidic direction. These are the acidic direction. So when the pH acidic at this one, this is 0, then +1, 2, 3, these are the positive direction, that is alkaline direction. Positive, that is alkaline direction. So these are acidic and these are alkaline. So in this direction, when pH goes to off, then you can say the alkali alkali property is increasing, right? And when it is going down, then we can say here the acidic property is going. Now the question, as per the question, um, which acid, if we mix any acid with the water, then it becomes to the acidic properties. But in case of natural raining process, which acid is normally mixed to develop or to fall as a acidic rain, or to create acidic rain? The name of the acid is sulfur dioxide. What is the symbol of molecular formula of sulfur dioxide? Sulfur dioxide, this one, you can say this one, sulfur dioxide. So you have to memorize this. Now the second question, forms an alkaline solution which dissolve in water. If we mix with the water, then which gas or which chemical may be used to make it alkaline solution dissolve in water, to make alkaline solution? So if you go for a mixed ammonia with water, then it will create alkaline solution, because when mixed with ammonia, what the ammonium hydroxide is formed, right? And is inert. Which gas is inert? You have to find out the name of, from the name of the gas, which, and have to find out which gas is inert. Inert means chemically inactive. What is the meaning of inert? Inert means chemically inactive, right? Chemically inactive means there is no chance to form any complex or any complex compound, or any compound, or undergoing to any chemical reaction. So at our starting point, we show, we see that these are the name of the gas, right? These are the name of the gas. But among the name of the gas, which gas is inert? That means there is no tendency to form any complex, to go any under reaction, to go any chemical process or any chemical changes. That is it. Which of the gas or which of the element in the periodic table is in this natures? We know that the inert gas, that is helium, neon, krypton, xenon, radon, these are the properties, these are the name of the element or of the molecule element which are normally not interested to form any chemical reaction. So these are the inert gas. So as per the questions, you can see here, you can write down the name of the argon, right? This one. Then is a product of photosynthesis. What is the product of photosynthesis? We know that the oxygen is generated through photosynthesis. So this is the oxygen. Can form a polymer. Which molecule can form a polymer? Ethane. Ethene can form a polymer. Why? Because it has a double bond and it can generate multiple molecules. It can connect with the multiple molecules. This can you can see here. This is the ethane, right? So when it goes through the formation of molecule, it becomes right this one. And by this way, he tries to communicate to the so many molecule and form polymer. So next question is produced in the test of sulfate ion, carbon dioxide. Sulfate ion, when goes for the test of the sulfate ion, then carbon dioxide is produced. So I hope you have understand the questions, and just you have to memorize this one. And keep just keep going and read one and one again and again and again, and it will automatically information will be transmitted to the short-term memory to the long-term memory. Now the next question is most important. Boron and aluminum are group 3 elements. Now question 1, boron has only two naturally occurring isotope, B10 and B11. Complete table 2.1 show the number of proton, neutrons and electrons in an atom of B. Now the question is that what is the number of the electron, proton and neutron? You can see, I hope you can easily find out the number that is 5, the proton number 5, number 6, and then number of electrons 5, right? We know that the number of proton of any element is equal to the number of electrons. So if an element contains 5 number of proton, then it should automatically it will shows or contain the 5 number of electrons, right? So this is the common phenomenon, and I have added that explanation. You can it will create your conception. It will clear your conception um, in more sense, and will enrich you with the 360-degree concept. The atomic number of boron is 5, so it has 5 proton and 5 neutron. The mass number of boron 11 is 11, so neutron equal to mass number minus atomic number equal to 11 minus 5 equal to 6, right? So I hope it is now clear to you. And these are the very easy questions that was set for the final examination as per the Cambridge O-level education. So I hope all of you can solve these types of questions. Right now, the next question is the relative atomic mass of boron to 1 decimal place is 10.8. The determination of the relative abundance of B11 present in boron give you the answer as a percentage. You can find out here the 10 into 0.2, B has 80% abundance and B has 20%. 20%, if you convert into the normal form, then it comes to the 0.2, and 11 comes to 0.8. So it equal to, if you multiply, then it will come this one. So at 10.8 is the correct answer. Then now the next is I hope you have understand this one, because it is very easy. If anyone can fail to understand, then you can inbox and you can make comment so that I can clear you. As I have discussed regarding in details regarding the calculation procedure in earlier in our normal classes, so I think this is very easy for you, and you have shown your competence in the normal test. So use the next question, use the relative atomic mass of boron to calculate the number of atom is 0.540 gram of boron. Give your answer in standard form. Given mass equal to 0.540, relative atomic mass AR equal to 10.5. This one you can see here, and then Avogadro's number Na equal to 6.023 into 10 to the 23 atoms per mole. Now the formula is first calculation mole calculation of mole formula moles equal to mass divided by AR. What is mass? 0.540, or AR means atomic mass, atomic relevant mass data. You can see here relevant atomic mass. By relative atomic mass, you can see you can say relative atomic mass or relevant atomic mass, this one, and then calculation the result comes 0.05 mole. So then the calculation calculate number of atoms. If you want to calculate the number of atom, then atoms equal to the relevant atomic mass into Avogadro সংখ্যা. then this one. So answer is this one. So how many formula we have used here? We have used normally what was the question? The determine the relative abundance of B11 present in the boron. Give your answer as a percentage. You have to find out the percentage. So this is the abundance level, 10.8, 10.8. Okay, 10.8. The relative atomic mass is the weight average. If B11 has 80% abundance, then B has B10 has 20%. We know that there are two types of isomer. We know boron has two type of isomer, B11 and B10. So if you think that the B10 is 80%, then B20 is B10 is 20%, right? This is the assumption, and after on the basis of this assumption, we are now calculating the relative atomic mass, Ra. And in the question you can see the atoms number, mass of the atoms is given. So Avogadro number, we know in Avogadro number this one. So the what is the formula? Formula is moles equal to, if you find out the moles equal to mass divided by Ar, relative atomic mass. So if we know the mass and then now put the value of Ar, that is relative atomic mass, then you will get this one. And now the how many molecules are there in atoms? How many? The calculate the number of atoms. How many atoms are there? So if you want to calculate the number of atoms, then what is the formula of number of atoms? Number of atoms formula is that I can write here is that atoms equal to Ra, relative atomic mass, Ra relative atomic mass into হচ্ছে Avogadro's number, Avogadro's number. Now this one is relative atomic mass, that is Ra, and this one is Avogadro's number, An. So if you calculate, then you will get this one. So this is the correct answer. I hope you have understand the how to calculate, and these are the very important questions. And already you know there are several times in the Cambridge educational systems or Cambridge curriculum, the question has been set for the final exam. So these are the patterns that the number may be changed, but the pattern of the of the calculation will remain the same. So for any element, any given element, you can easily calculate these types of math easily. But the one thing you have to do right from now, you have to practice this math at several times. If you do that, you will be able to find out the another types of math. So I hope you understand, and by this way, I would like to share with you for O and A level. All papers are available here. You can easily join with us to solve your academic problems. And if you are a guardian watching this at this video, then I will especially request you to share this and to make a like, share, and comment, so that we can reach with you and we can solve your questions and you can answer your questions accordingly. And I hope in this platform for solving the academic problems of the Cambridge and Edexcel curriculum will go a long way to solve and to help the people or help the students of Bangladesh. So thank you so much for patient sharing, and please feel free to communicate with me so that I can help you to solving the problems related to your education, education related to the Cambridge and Edexcel curriculum. Thank you so much.